Ready for a youthful transformation? Discover the perfect shag. 1. The modern shag with curtain bangs. Ideal for fine hair. Adds instant volume and youthful bounce to the face. Balances round features perfectly, offering a slimming daily look. 2. Textured Pixie Shag. Perfect for low-maintenance styling. Gives active women an effortless edge. Disguises thinning areas gracefully while highlighting cheekbones perfectly. 3. Shoulder-length layered wolf cut. A great choice for thick hair to remove bulk while adding modern movement. Ideal for bold women looking for an edgy, trend-setting transformation. 4. Curly Shaggy Bob. Embraces natural texture. Best for women wanting volume without frizz. Softens angular jaws and provides an exceptionally joyful, energetic aura. 5. Choppy Wavy Lob. Suits elegant women needing a transitional length that is highly versatile. Draws attention to the collarbones, making it a very sophisticated choice. 6. Feathered Mullet Shag. For retro lovers, seamlessly hides deep forehead wrinkles with style. Elongates the neck visually, giving a majestic and proud posture. 7. Face Framing Wispy Shag. Excellent for softening harsh lines and restoring a gentle feminine glow. Provides an airy, lightweight feel, making styling completely effortless. 8. Volume-boosting Crown Shag. A savior for flat roots. Lifts the face and adds height instantly. Projects supreme confidence and professionalism for the modern mature woman. 9. Asymmetrical Shaggy Bob. Perfect for expressing artistic flair. Draws the eye away from fine lines. Adds dynamic geometry to square faces, softening the overall contour. 10. Soft razor-cut shag. Prevents thick hair from looking boxy. Provides an ultra-modern soft touch. Keeps older women looking fresh, current, and effortlessly chic all day.